Hey guys, hope you're fine. So today I'm just sharing this very simple healthy recipe of cow's meat. I'm using about 1 kilogram of meat. I'm using 2 medium-sized red onions, garlic, spring onions, green capsicum, carrots, and tomatoes. Those are the fresh ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I'm using that Royco powder. I'm using 1 beef bouillon. Just squash it into the pan. Salt, black pepper, paprika, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and then add water to the pan. So this is a boiled meat recipe. As the title says, boiled meat is better than fried meat. First of all, because it is very healthy, and of course it's very flavorful because we are going to cook this meat with all these spices from the get-go. Has a very flavorful sauce. It's tasty and very soft. I've cooked this for about 1.5 hours because I want it to cook until the meat is very soft and very tasty. So as you can see, the meat is ready. The sauce looks very good. It's not fried, but it looks thick. It looks nice. The oils you see are oils from the meat. Meat naturally has its own fats. So thank you guys for watching the video. It was a short one, but I hope you get to do this video at home because the results are worth it. Thank you guys for watching my video.